For this problem, we're asked to solve a system of nonlinear inequalities. We want to graph this system of inequalities, x squared plus y squared less than or equal to 100, 4x minus 3y greater than or equal to 0. See that the first inequality here, if we consider the equation x squared plus y squared equal to 100, is going to give us the graph of a circle. The center will be at the origin, and it'll have a radius of 10, because 10 squared is 100. Our second inequality, if we consider it as an equation, 4x minus 3y equals 0. If we solve this for y, we'll get negative 3y equals negative 4x, or y is equal to 4/3 x. Now with our inequality, we consider this, we really want then x squared plus y squared less or equal to 100. And for our linear inequality here, if we solve it the same way we did with the equation, 4x minus 3y greater than or equal to 0, negative 3y is greater than or equal to negative 4x. And if we divide both sides by negative 3, we have to switch the direction of our inequality. And so we're really looking to graph the inequality y is less than or equal to 4/3 x. To graph the system, because our inequalities are not strict, we're going to graph the circle given by x squared plus y squared equals 100, and we're going to graph the line y equals 4/3 x. And we're going to have to determine which half plane we're going to shade in each case to find our overlap region, which would represent our solution set. So here we've rewritten our inequalities. We want x squared plus y squared to be less than or equal to 100, and y to be less than or equal to 4/3 x. Where we said the first one would give us a circle if we look at the equality, a circle of radius 10. So we'll go ahead and sketch the graph of that circle. 2, 3, 4, 5. And that would be the graph of x squared plus y squared equals 100. Now we want this to be less than or equal to, which means we're going to shade the inside of the circle. And so this red area represents the solution set for this first inequality. Now we want to graph the line y equals 4/3 x. So we pick a couple of points. When x is 0, y will be 0. When x is 6, 2, 4, 6, y will be 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. We're graphing that line. We want y to be less than or equal to 4/3 x, so we're going to shade below that line, but we also want it to be within our circle to get our final solution set. So the graph of this system of nonlinear inequalities is the overlap region we get for this part of the circle right here. We get below the line y equals 4/3 x, and then inside the circle. So our region is right there, and that's the solution set for our system of inequalities.